Wow, how much carry? I'm going out. Just I'm trying to get in city center side, and this is outside of the railway station. And I'm going to city center, towards the city center, from here 800 meters. Let's see. Going city side, and this is city center. City center. Really a lot of bus. And this is very large. See, there is so many things. And there is a statue. And there is one statue. Something or something. They are mentioned. Yeah, that's something. It is near to main railway station from Stuttgart. It is a subway train called 𝐂𝐴𝐶𝐶. This is 𝐒𝐭𝐮 railway station. It's 800 meters from Stuttgart main railway station. And in the city center, and it is quite busy place. You can see there is so many people are sitting around, and there is one statue here. And there is a king's statue. And this road only going towards
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back.
there is one water fountain. There is a lot of water fountain I saw on this street.
And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow. I can't breathe. Together we'll fall apart.
This is just nearby fountain, and this is called Land Museum, Gutenberg. I'm not going inside. Stuttgart city, it's really good. And I'm going inside for some most visited palace to see. Head of the museum is called Flanking Whole Palace, near to on the of the famous poet and philosopher, historian and dramatist, and it is very. This is Land Museum, and it is all same place as this statue, and both are in the city, a square town, city or a square town, and it's near to that fountain park. Almost everything is closed place, but now this building is opposite to Land Museum. This is Land Museum, and there is the one bus stop that called 𝐿𝑆lotsplatz. See here, 𝐿𝑆lotsplatz.
Stay here right in my arms, and we'll start again. So stay with me. Together we'll fall apart.
Bristol Mercedes-Benz Bank. This is the that is the tower. On this tower we need to take ticket. Automated machine here. You have to pay like €1. You can see from the top of the tower, this is the view of Stuttgart. I will show you straight from outside. And this is the park, which is really wide. Almost I read somewhere 100 something acre. This land, whole park and this tower. This park is very large, but this tower is just 40 meter tallest. And from the tower you can see the city view. But if you feel this tower is like shaking, there is a wind and this tower like jig shaken by wind, swing. See the top. Now I am going down and I'll go in city side. It is actually out of city, I think, and I'll go in city side again. It's raining now. I'm just away of metro train, like subway train.